Let's look at some edit window options inside of PCDemus. Currently, this routine is using command mode. You can change it to summary mode by selecting View, then selecting Summary mode. Instead of text, all features and dimensions will be shown as icons. Let's also look at how to group this routine. Select the features you want to put inside of a group, right-click, and hit Group. You can also give the group a name. Let's group the rest of the features inside of this routine. Select the features you want to group, select Group. If you want, you can give it a name. You can also view these groups inside of command mode. This is how they look when they are not shown. To view them, select No and change No to Yes. Now all your features and dimensions will be shown inside of the routine.